Good day everyone, especially to you Ma'am Lorely Dalugdog. By the way, I am Michelle Moponso Telio. This is my report, International Channel Perspective, Chapter 17. What drives the need to focus on international markets? So, these are slow growth in domestic markets, first foreign competition. So, muna siya kanang duha. Then next, there are 5 major key environment factors. So first is economic factors and international channels, competitive environment and international channels, socio-cultural environment and international channels, technological environment and international channels, legal or political environment and international channels. So economic factors, all of the economic conditions occurring in the domestic environment can occur in foreign environment as well. So, it is economic conditions that appear in the domestic environment can also occur in foreign environments, but the changes can be more dramatic. These are inflation, deflation, recessions, and fluctuations. So, when we say inflation, it rates in the double digit were not uncommon. Then the deflation, which has occurred in some sectors of the US economy such as housing, computers, consumer electronic apparel, and major appliances. Then the recessions, these are usually paralleled in many foreign countries, especially in Western Europe and Asia, and they are often more severe. Then last, the fluctuation. In foreign currency exchange rates can also drastically affect all phases of U.S. firm strategy in international markets as the dollar becomes stronger or weaker against foreign currencies. Then next, competitive environment and international channels. Competitive structure in foreign countries can be quite different from that in the United States. So, channel structure needs to be able to adapt to a wide variety of circumstances. Then next, socio-cultural environment and international channels. So socio-cultural factors can influence all elements of the marketing mix. The channel variable is especially sensitive because it often involves more person-to-person, organization-to-organization contact than the other variables. So, it is very more sensitive because nani siya involvement. So, you have differences in socio-cultural factors across different countries, and it is more important fact of life in international marketing. These are cultural values, norms of behavior, attitudes, and perception vary enormously around the world. A very significant portion of the international marketing literature has focused on these differences in an attempt of enlighten international marketing managers. Then next, technological environment and international channels. The level of technology and rate of technological rate change in foreign environment is another factor that can affect channel strategy. So, it is a varying levels of technological advancement around the world require US channel strategy either to force foreign suppliers to meet technological demand or to raise the bar of their own levels of technology. So, in some countries, especially the less developed ones in Asia, Latin America, and Africa, communications and transportation technology is relatively primitive, whereas in more advanced countries of Western Europe and Japan, technology often matches or even surpasses that of the United States. Then, the company can precisely plan delivery schedules for all the stores, which helps suppliers to substantially reduce the frequency of visit and lower cost. And then next, legal or political environment and international channels. In the international sphere, a U.S. firm seeking to establish channels of distribution in the foreign countries can face a wide array of complex and burdens, some government regulations, policies, and political pressures that can make even that might appear to be the simplest of arrangements of securing distribution very difficult and complicated. So, It is a firm seeking to establish channels in foreign markets need to investigate the legal environment of each country because of the wide array of complex and burdensome issues. Na and then muna ang under sa legal o political environment. These are government regulations, political pressures, policies, tariff, import restriction, and quotas. So, and the next, behavioral process in international channels. The behavioral side can even more important in foreign channels than in domestic channels because cultural patterns in a number of countries often place more emphasis on person-to-person relationship than is typical in the United States. So, it is to develop and manage channels successfully in foreign environments. The channel manager needs to be aware of and sensitive to the environmental differences in the countries involved and how these differences affect channel strategy. And so, obviously, it is not possible for us to go into the treatise on environmental difference among countries. And that's all, ma'am, and I thank you.